Everyone, this is KJPro Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from one of the strongest wrist backer or contender as well in Tawag ng Tanghalan. So, Carmel Collado. Carmel Collado is a runner-up. So, di bakit ako nag-English? So, di kasi kakatapos lang gumawa ng reaction video na puro English. So, Carmel Collado is a runner-up sa The Voice, if I'm not mistaken, and now he is something like conquering his a journey. Conquering, tama ba yun? Now, tinatahak niya ang kanyang journey sa Tawag ng Tanghalan, and wow, yesterday was his what do you call this? Yesterday was his performance as well in Tawag ng Tanghalan na standing ovation siya, plus 97% pa ata siya. So this is an on-the-spot reaction. I'm really excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Familiar ako sa kinanta niya na may ibang twist ang kinanta niya. Yes, I Wanna Dance Somebody. Grabe, no? Grabe siya dito. Okay, mamaya na ako mag-pause. Yan yung kalaban niya. Ano yung kinanta? Alam mo yung, okay, hindi ko talaga kayang pigilan because this is a reaction video. Kailangan ko talaga siyang mag-pause and magbigay ng thoughts and opinions. Alam mo yung, who never thought na yung ganitong klaseng kanta is ilalaban niya sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Kasi di ba crucial na ang stage nila eh. Isang talo lang, wala nang rest back and everything. Isang talo lang, wala na, ligwak ka na. Pero who would have thought na itong I Wanna Dance With Somebody is kaya niyang ikanta sa what do you call this, sa stage ng Tawag ng Tanghalan na very crucial na ang stage. And at the same time, ang ganda. Actually, first time that I saw this clip, as what I've said, hindi siya pinanood, hindi ko siya tinapos. Pero nadaalala siya ng FYP ko and gusto ko talaga siyang mapanood and gawa ng reaction video. Kaya hindi ko tinapos. Doon siya pag-start pa lang ng kanyang execution. She is not joining a competition here. She is performing. Right? Do you agree with me? Please press 1 kung agree kayo. It's just like, hindi siya. She's not here just to sing para may panalo ang laban. She is here to perform, to showcase her talent, to own the stage. Actually, not to own She is owning the stage. She set the stage on fire. Hirap na hirap ako sa letter S kasi nga Coco Martinez. Diba? Parang she really owned the stage. She is really a diva here. She's diva in the making, should I say. The way she moves, her body language, the way she touches her hair, should I say, you can really feel the fire. Mafe-feel mo talaga ang fire sa kanya and the eagerness. Sayang, actually, pinakagusto ko talaga dito si Isaac. Even sa The Clash, Isaac talaga. Even sa Tawag ng Tanghalan in The Voice before, yung habang may buhay ni Isaac, siya talaga yung pinakagusto ko. I really don't know bakit ang kay Isaac and kay Chloe ngayon na tinatahak na is ang ilap sa kanila ng pagkapanalo. But then again, it is what it is. Nakasulat talaga yan sa tadhana natin. So, ulitin natin without process. I will try my very best. Grabe yung growl niya. Grabe yung growl niya. Alam mo, i-pause ko na kasi baka makalimutan ko, no? Grabe yung growl niya. Kakatapos ko lang gawa ng reaction video, ang isa sa mga malalakas na contender sa Greece na kung sino man nalo sa contest na yun, they will be the one to represent Greece in Eurovision Song Contest. Eurovision Song Contest is mga countries from Europe na maglalaban-laban about their music. So basically, nagawa ko ng reaction video si Claudia, pinakamalakas, and then at the same time, ginawa ko din reaction video yung kinanta niya sa The Voice Finals, which is It's a Man's World. Alam mo yung boses nila parehas, yung tipong nag-growl, may fears, pero execution, napaka-soft. Ramdam mo yung emosyon. Something like that. Anyways, again, walang pause. Promise. Sorry, this is a reaction video kasi ang dami na namang mababa sa akin. Divang-diva. Divang-diva. Ang taba, oh. Dear, nangangain siya. Nangangain siya. Dear, kinakain niya, dear. Ang kalaban niya, dear. Puta ka. Ay, charis. Carmel Collado. Hoy, bigyan niyo to ng scholarship. My God! Ay, ang sexy! Ang sexy! Ang ganda pa ng placement niya dyan. Ang ganda pa ng placement niya dyan. Okay, go. Dear, hindi siya nag-join sa contest. Nag-perform siya. Ginawa niyang concert. Dear, ginawa niyang concert. Ginawa niyang concert. Love na love siya ni Jeddah. Dear, grabe. Diva! Who is this diva? Oh, indeed. Ang ganda ng hugot. Ang ganda ng hagod. Oh, placement. Puta ka. Yes. Oh. She ate and left no crumbs, dear. She ate and left no crumbs. Ganda ng emotion dyan. Oh, wow! Oh my God! It really sounds like Money Note though. Linis! Oh my God! I love that. Wow, I didn't see it coming. I didn't see it coming. Oh my God, nakakainis. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ay, wow. Seryoso ba yun? Wow. True ba? True ba? Ay, wow. She ate and left no crumbs. Seriously. She owned the stage. What's the ovation nga? She owned the stage. She really owned the stage. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is Carmel Collado. Anong school niya nga ulit? This is Kichiba Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Grabe, abangan ko to siya. Abangan ko talaga siya.